Hello dear kids, this is Himanshi from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Welcome to our YouTube learning channel. Kids, today we will learn the pre-number concept heavy and light. Which concept? Heavy and light. Heavy means bhari and light means halka. Heavy, bhari, light, halka. So, before understanding the concept, I am telling you a story of Tina. Tina is very good girl. One day, she told her mother, "Mama, I want to help you." बच्चों को मम्मा की हेल्प करनी चाहिए ना? आप करते हैं अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प? वेरी गुड. तो टीना अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प करना चाहती थी. मम्मा, what can I do for you? मैं आपके लिए क्या करूं? Then mama told Tina, please give me a tomato from there. Tina went and picked the tomato and gave her mother. टीना टोमेटो लेके आ गई और उसने अपनी मम्मा को दे दिया. Okay. Then mama asked Tina, please give me the chili. Tina went and picked the chili and gave her mother. Then mama asked Tina, Tina, would you please give me the watermelon? Tina tried to pick the watermelon, but she couldn't pick. उसने बहुत कोशिश की watermelon को उठाने की, but वो नहीं उठा पाई. Why? Can you tell me? क्यों नहीं उठाया उसने? Because watermelon was heavy. Chili and tomato were light and watermelon was heavy. Then mama picked the watermelon. Okay, so you know the things that are light in weight, we can pick them easily. But for the heavier things, we have to put some efforts. Heavy चीजों को उठाने के लिए हमें effort लगाना पड़ता है ना? So let us compare some things and you will tell me which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay, let's start. So look, this is a scale. What is this? Scale. इस स्केल का क्या यूज होता है? We use this scale to weight the things. इसमें रख के हम चीजों को क्या करते हैं? वेट करते हैं. We weight the things. So in this scale, when we put lighter things, scale goes up, and when we put heavier things, scale goes down. Let us compare and do this activity with fun. Okay, let us compare a cotton and keys. These are keys and this is cotton. Can you tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Okay, let's compare. I am putting cotton on one side and keys on the other side. Oh, keys goes down while cotton goes up. Now tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Right, keys are heavy and cotton is light. Okay, we will do this activity with some more things. This is tomato. I am putting tomato on one side and this is watermelon. I am putting watermelon on one side. Okay, watermelon goes down, tomato goes up. Tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Right, watermelon is heavy, tomato is light. Very good. Now I have a little bird and a stone. Let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Stone. Oh, which one is heavy and which one is light? Can you tell me? Bird is light. This is choo choo bird. Choo choo bird is light and stone is heavy. Okay. Now I have flowers and leaf. Okay, I am putting leaf on one side and flower on the other side. Oh, they both are equal in weight. ये दोनों तो सेम वेट के हैं. इक्वल, कोई भी साइड नीचे नहीं गया. ओके, नाउ आई एम पुटिंग वन मोर फ्लावर on the flower side. Now flower goes down, leaf goes up. जब मैंने ज्यादा फ्लावर्स रखे तो वो हैवी हो गए और लीफ लाइट हो गई. ओके, सो more things weight more. Okay, now I have some toys, teddy toys. Okay, I am putting one teddy on one side and one teddy on the other side. Okay, now I am putting more teddies on the other hand, more than one. एक से ज़्यादा टेडी रखेंगे तो this side becomes heavy and this side becomes light. So it goes up and this side goes down. More teddies are heavier than one teddy. ज़्यादा टेडीज एक टेडी से heavy हैं. Okay, so kids, I hope you understood which one is heavy and which one is light. What is heavy, what is light. Okay, light things goes up and heavy things goes down. If I take water in one glass and take an empty glass, can you tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Okay, let's compare. You can do this activity at your home. The glass that is filled with water is heavy and the empty glass is light. Okay, so kids, we will do the same activity with your seesaw sing. आप सीसा पे झूलते हैं ना, तो हम यही एक्टिविटी सीसॉ पे करेंगे. Okay, so kids, now we will compare some things on seesaw sing. Okay, so now I have two balls, tennis ball and football. Can you tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Let's see on the seesaw. I am putting tennis ball on one side and football on the other side. Oh, which goes down? Football. So football is heavy and tennis ball is lighter than football. Okay, now we will compare some more things on seesaw. I have two bags. In this bag I have your books and notebooks, and this bag is empty. Let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. So I am putting empty bag on one side and heavy bag on the other side. which one is heavy and which one is light? Can you tell me? Right. Full bag is heavy and empty bag is light. Okay. Now I have a brick. This is a heavy brick and this is pumpkin. I am putting pumpkin on one side and this brick on the other side. Let's see what happened. Brick side goes down and pumpkin side goes up. So what do we find? That brick is heavy and pumpkin is light. Okay. Now I have two boxes. This box is small and this is a big box full of tools. I have some tools in this box. So let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay, I am putting small box on the one side and heavy box on the other side. Heavy box goes down and small box goes up. This one is heavy and that one is light. Okay, now I have some books. Your books. So I will put one book on one side and other books on the other side. See, one notebook and more books. So let's see which one is heavy. Oh, more books are heavy than one book. आपको क्या पता चला? कम चीजें हल्की होती हैं और ज्यादा चीजें भारी होती हैं. One thing is lighter and more books are heavier than one notebook. Okay, so kids, today what we have learned? What is heavy and what is light? For light things we can pick up light things easily, but we have to put some effort to pick the heavy things. And light things goes up on the scale and heavy things goes down. हल्की चीजें हम आसानी से उठा लेते हैं, भारी चीजों के लिए हमें थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. जब स्केल पे कंपेयर करते हैं तो लाइट थिंग्स ऊपर आती हैं और भारी चीजें नीचे जाती हैं. So kids, I hope now you understood the concept heavy and light. In our next video, we will learn some more concepts and do more interesting activities. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.